Hi, this is Skillet. This is the second part to my cast iron skillet baked bratwurst video, and I brought them out of the oven, and I'm going to plate it up, and I'm going to show you how these come out. And what I did is I did 30 minutes on one side, then I turned them over, did another 30 minutes at 400 degrees, and I believe they come out perfect. Don't know, I'm anxious to see how they come out. Okay, you can hear them, they're sizzling and everything, and I'm fixing to take the cover off and see how they come out here. Oh yeah, look at that. I'll tell you what, let me turn these over. That's from just cooking them in the oven there. I tell you, it put that nice char on there, and just these are going to be great. Look at that. It don't get any better than that. We'll go ahead and plate one up. Got my cobblestone roll here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Put one of these in. Wow, that's hot. Get myself a little bit of mustard here. Mustard on it. Then we're going to dress it up with a little bit of sauerkraut. Like I say, you can put whatever you want on there. You can do onions, peppers, whatever you like. This is the way I'm doing it. And oh yeah, that, whew. It's the way it come out, the way it looks. I'm fixing to take a bite of it. Get to another angle here, and I'll let you know my opinion of it. Tell you, can't go wrong with this. Oh yeah. Hot. It is cooked thorough, all the way through and through. And it is steaming. You can see, I don't know if you can catch that steam coming off, but it is hot. And that's good. I'm going to take me another bite. This is an easy way to make it if you don't have a grill. Just utilize your oven. And I did mine in a cast iron skillet, and I believe the cast iron skillet is what made the sausages come out browned because of the cast iron skillet. In the other skillet, like a non-stick or whatever, I don't think it would do that. But I'm just saying that that's what I think because of the cast iron skillet, what I used. And it just so easy to do. If you don't have a grill, 30 minutes total. 15 on one side, turn them over, 15 on another side, and that's why they come out. Perfect. This is Skillet. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. And wow, I got 5 more to eat. So Going to get with it. Going to drink me some Lone Star beer while I do. And not really. I'm going to have Mrs. Scoggett going to come in and join me. I'm not going to eat 5 of them all by myself. I might could do it. I don't know if I'm hungry enough, but it would be a challenge. But anyway, appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Hope you give this a try. It's so easy to do. And like I say, if you put the lid on it, you don't have a mess in your oven. And they come out perfect. So, this is Skillet. And y'all take care.